We are really struggling with this issue of diversity. People don't know what to make of diversity. They're scared by it. I think they're blaming their problems on it. So if they're having economic troubles or if their situation doesn't feel right, I think they're blaming this new diversity that we're seeing where there is more people crossing there are more people crossing borders, and they're just, our countries look different. This country looks different. Your country looks different. And I think we're really struggling with that in our politics. I think that's why our politics has become so polarized, whether you're in this country or in Europe. I think people have become less interested in listening, less interested in hearing about other people. I blame social media, of course. It's kind of become common to blame that. But, you can go off into your little world. You can have only your friends on Facebook who you listen to, or only the blog that aligns with your political beliefs. There isn't much, we aren't really encouraged to cross the border and meet people who aren't like us. Particularly for schools, I would take away a lot of the borders. I would say, bring everyone together. I think in some ways, if I had a magic wand, it would be to force people into a room together and really talk to each other. At the New York Times now, we have, thanks to some recent hiring, we now have slightly more than half women. It's 51% women. But there's still, if you look at the subjects women are covering, there's still a tendency to assign women to stories about schools and children and family. And if you look at stories about politics or war or sort of tricky policy issues, economics, those tend to be written by men. I have to give credit to our editors, particularly the executive editor, who's been really good about listening to this and recognizing this and trying to change, get more women on the staff, but also have more women's voices in the newspaper. I think what we've found is that a lot of women are saying they don't read the newspaper, they don't feel connected to the newspaper because they don't see themselves reflected in its pages. I think we're trying to change that. My book is really a story about this group of 16 women at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which is this country's preeminent institute for science and math. And these women were women who were hired in the late 60s, 1970s, brought in at the forefront of affirmative action when universities realized that they had to hire more women or they were going to lose their federal funding.